In the northeastern corner of Beijing, a new type of infrastructure finds its home. The building's simple exterior readily calls to mind a factory. But instead of water or gas, this infrastructure pipes something far more transformative: artificial intelligence.
Our core mission is threefold. First, to redefine AI computing infrastructure by building cost-efficient and plug-and-play AI factories that deliver stable, intelligent computing services across industries. Second, to act as a bridge between AI and industry, accelerating the translation of AI capabilities into real productivity. Third, to nurture an open ecosystem by providing accessible computing power and practical application scenarios for our partners.
Inside the building, rows of domestically manufactured AI servers are neatly arranged. You hear this buzzing sound? That's because these servers for AI computing are constantly working. This building holds hundreds of petaflops of computing power, equivalent to 1 million high-performance computers working simultaneously. The facility integrates full-stack AI capabilities, including computing power, algorithms, models, along with AI tools. High-speed server clusters and real-time task allocation turn abstract computing power into tangible, usable digital infrastructure.
Traditional data centers are often closed black boxes. People don't really know what's inside. We want to use simple, visual approaches to show the public how artificial intelligence can change their daily lives.
By the end of 2025, China's total intelligent computing power surpassed 1,590 EFLOPS, ranking second globally. Computing power is now deeply woven into daily life and industry. In advanced manufacturing and research, industry models and intelligent agent platforms are driving transformation.
It's easy to define computing power as a digital foundation, like water or electricity. But that's not enough. In the AI era, the key to making it a true digital backbone is building unified systems for technology, service, and allocation to efficiently supply a large market.
Experts say China's domestic computing power is closing the tech gap with global leaders. With better scheduling efficiency and interconnected supply, the AI ecosystem will mature and further drive the real economy's transformation.